Huh?
We know how your hands look already.
We? Who name we?
Everybody knows how your hands look. So what do you tell me about your hands for?
So,
Yeah?
no.
Yeah, why you look at that?
You tell me.
I should tell you?
Yeah, put on this on.
No. You're more to tell me.
Put on that filter, yeah.
I'm gonna sit down in my filter that I feel comfortable in.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You have our makeup done.
Yeah, I have makeup on.
So why you need to use filter though?
It doesn't matter. Everybody's filter over here, no? You don't have a filter on right now?
Huh?
You don't have a filter on right now?
Yeah, but I know,
Oh, I mean,
ah,
why you should? What's happening here?
now you talk about that shirt.
Don't do that. No, I did not.
Oh,
I don't know. I was not there, so I don't know.
I was not there. You wasn't there?
I was not there. Maybe it was somebody else. I don't know.
Me never would have done what there.
What?
Me never would have done what there.
What is that?
I mean, what is that?
What is that?
Me never take wood.
Whoa. Sarah? Sarah. What's up? Can't take this shit on.
Stop throw wood off of my youth.
Who's throwing wood after you?
You.
But when you see me do that?
You take off ring and a throw wood off of my phone.
Who's throwing wood after
You.
How? How? You see me come on here and ever adjust anything?
Boy,
you
take off. Boy, I take off ring and a throw wood off of me.
So where's your ring?
Huh?
Where's your ring, huh? You can't hear? Where's your ring? And the first time you try to stab me over here, so let's not.
Listen, man. What's up, me think tough, man. No ring. No ring. I come tell me, man. Jump now, no? Okay, you want to jump, you know? You're so fucking easy to read.
Bro,
You can't have an ID.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna jump. You're not gonna come kind of disrespect. You already disrespect me enough over there, so the fuck? You're bored. You're clearly bored, sir. So there's already enough going on the internet. You don't need to drag me with you. Yeah. Okay.
Watch it now. If you're watching now. Stop do that, youth. If you don't want to chat here, just sit up, bro.
What are you talking about?
Where I jump for?
Alright, Jayden, how are you?
If you don't want to chat here, bro, just tell me, brother, I'm going to go on my way, brother. Come on, run down, woman, you know.
Okay. Ask you. I'm just here vibing. I'm not asking.
You know, do you want to get one of them look and something there? Hello?
Aloe and Lululemon?
Yeah, Lululemon, like, cover,
yeah, this one doesn't have it, but I have ones that put your thumb through it. I don't have it on this one, but I have ones that can do it.
Oh, yeah, when I'm cold, when I wear it.
Not really cold, it's just a style.
For cover on the fingers, you're right, and them something.
What do you mean? It just goes through your thumb, and you could use your hand.
Yeah, boy, you don't know.
I never know how to know that.
Oh, me see, I go with the business and something like that.
Thanks.
So we're gonna start order from Yard Eats.
That not done yet.
Alright, what's up? What's up? My mouth. You see my mouth? I go away.
Jayden, before you leave, find out if I the same number and thing.
Fabbi, I see him now.
When Nicky, you're in it though, man.
No, me have to make sure it go right, because I don't want
The number when they have floated by the trip, that's a new number, man.
Alright, don't go away. Let me text him. Don't go away, darling. Don't go away, darling. Me text him. No worry. I will text you.
That is a must.
Nikki, thank you, Nikki. God bless
You're
you.
welcome. You're welcome, my brother.
Fabbi. Yes. Follow back. Yes. Right. Fabbi, remember send the number again, darling. Cause I know your time. I open up. So. What up, bed? See them, me send it, see this. All you have to do is just text me and see. It's simple as that, man.
No. Fabbi send him your number too.
Yeah, man, send him my number too.
Alright, send it, Fabbi, send it.
Yes.
Nikki, if you understand, say you know, I wish you send me a number and I'm text her, she will block me. You don't know she.
No, me talk to Fabbi and Jayden and I respond it. Yes, sir.
The Nikki, Shit. She will come off live and then whole heap of things just come in her head, so you know shit already.
Pass them the stage there.
So Fabbi, send it.
Yeah, me send it.
Hold on, let me see.
Test it first before you go away.
Let's test it. No, she's not gonna lie.
Nikki, really, Nikki, you know, say no, Nick, no,
I
man.
know I love you and I believe in you. I know you're not lying, but just to make Jayden feel pleased, you know.
No, like, Virgin.
Play a game when in gone, guys. Me and Fabbi are playing.
A voicemail. Hold on,
No,
wait.
phone upon don't disturb.
Oh,
Put it on
take
down.
it off, Fabbi. Take it off.
Take it off, darling.
Stop for a minute and then you can put it on back. See it there now, it gone off.
Me I go send her one tongue, so you know, say me. Can be different. Sorry. WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Yeah. You still have a no disturb. You know, go through. Hold on.
Yeah, them.
Call now.
Are you this Fabbi?
Wait there, the wrong number you put in.
And you put in wrong number,
You put in the
Jayden.
wrong number.
Me?
No, for real. No, you put in the wrong number for
The
real.
blood clot.
No, my friend.
Look
No,
for the
you
number.
put in the wrong number.
Okay.
You text him on WhatsApp.
Okay,
You text him on WhatsApp, but you put in the wrong number for call me.
Alright, text me back.
Oh, so a different number
Alright.
to the WhatsApp. Okay. But Jayden, it takes her up on WhatsApp and it go through?
Yeah, your tongue go through, man, Nikki.
Then that no good, you have the contact. Guys, me work it.
Listen to me. You see, any woman with that look me, it done. Sorry. Me I go black all of them now.
Jayden, I want you to do something for me.
Yeah.
You see, because everybody knows say when you talk, you sound funny or some more, you say something to her will make you just real, like you're real. She all laugh.
Fabbi, we love you.
And we both know that still. Just make you know say you're serious, like a judge, but you don't know that.
She don't believe no on the side Bible. See it.
Well, everybody believe you still, but you know, Fabbi.
I'm very serious, Nikki.
Fabbi is straight, head straight, no lean.
No, yourself. I'm getting yourself made that lean.
Yeah, it cannot have on the next side. I can't hold like ear up on the next side.
And that hairstyle they are weird too.
So, Fabbi, do you have a Bible, darling?
I have a Bible.
Go for the Bible.
Virgin, make sure you tell the truth, Virgin.
No. Fabbi, me not go run, bro. You know, and if me go run nobody else, me not go run you.
The world know that.
Alright, Nikki, me know. Don't remember them, Nikki. Don't remember them.
The baby, yeah.
Pull the Bible. Make your blessing come out. Put on the Bible now.
And hold it up. Yeah, do the same, Jayden. Yeah, see it there?
Are you serious, Fabbi?
I am not serious. Ajak, I'm serious.
Oh, Fabbi is not. I'm not. All right. Nice thing,
I am
but
serious. I am serious.
Sure.
and talk about. With the promise, we're not gonna talk about things over the phone.
No,
No,
what's enough me not gonna talk about over phone with she, no, cause she get corrupt and whatever. You see, me know already.
Then you
So,
don't have to take the time. Oh, not for
no,
meeting
listen, no, you better me tell her where we are gonna link up and she reads it, I'm gonna go there. You see me I say? You have
That's
to
better.
just, yeah, you have to just know for do with that.
And them girl we hang up in her ears and not answer back.
Yeah, cause she have her money already, you see it, so.
Him not, why not tell me that for me what dear Jayden not decide? Your mother for be, eh, no talk about in the Bible.
Tell them go lick out them mat. Hold on, put on the Bible there. Alright, I watch on Nikki. You know act explicit.
Yeah, no do that no.
Yeah, so.
I just one person coming that you not for bother get offensive.
Come
Just,
remember I time, 12. You see it. I'm gonna text her the place. If you're not
wait,
back.
no Jayden, the WhatsApp message got through?
Yeah, I got you. Hold on, she reply back. Well,
Reply, Fabbi, reply.
Me reply back one rabbit.
But if you don't know they look too signing, you see?
it's a force.
Alright. So what you have to say to him now, Fabbi?
Man, me have to say, me don't want to wear something nice. I'm not buying the clothes yet.
Me have money for that, anything. Me have money for that.
Najee, you know, say you, and Najee make this possible, though.
Who name
But
not
so me do yesterday, me gone.
Hold on.
No, you too.
Who name, Fabbi, who name, sir?
Najee, edit.
No man, no Jayden, the person there's somebody will been over your help too.
Ramesh, find out who name Najee and just deal with it, please. Thank you. You good, man, you good. Alright. So Fabia, who name Najee?
I'm a G, man.
You're G. Alright, one song before you go.
Fabbi, straight, head straight. Yeah. Alright.
Not that long, man.
But have it.
Not that long, you know?
Not that long.
Your voice is sweet though, Jayden.
Soft five that.
When there?
Believe I'll text her back. Nikki, because I don't want to say nothing wrong. We just want to reach 12 o'clock anywhere she say. And then, we do the right thing.
Mm-hmm. You know she's saying.
Maybe them never download. It's alright.
One song you don't go play. Oh.
No, we don't look for something, but it
No, fuck.
just no gift there.
No, man, talk, man. Where the look for?
At the Valentine's Day picture I'm look for, but look come like say they in the file or something.
Let me find it. That never deleted it.
You not delete it, they in the file.
Then you file?
Oh, Jayden, Fabbi ranking, that's why I'm sitting over here with her. She the number 8, you know.
You got number 1 now.
Okay. Number 7 you there? Alright, that's what I'm talking about.
How their number 1? Simple thing that fear for be a force.
That man, a little far from me.
160K. Yes.
Yeah, we can play much.
Nikki, you play much with that because
No.
Listen, just understand me now. Just understand me now. Understand me, bro.
Alright.
Listen, now, understand me.
Yeah. Me understand. Come Fabbi. If him say, but
see
you know,
that,
don't.
you see that mouth, yeah? So one time me can't, so one time me no want emote. Me no really control it.
Yeah,
You see it. And me no want mess it up again.
true.
You see it. I lie me I tell Fabbi? Yeah, so my team, my people might come over them and them are support you. You see what I say? And your people might go support you, you see it, car, yeah? Yeah.
Good.
So Fabbi, goodbye.
You don't show the picture?
Oh.
Bad up, that me like.